Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a monitor and keyboard. First, locate the HDMI output on your PlayStation 5 console and an available HDMI input on your monitor. Use a high-speed HDMI cable to connect the two devices securely. Power on both your console and your monitor, then select the correct HDMI input source on your monitor. This ensures your console's video output is displayed clearly, providing a crisp visual experience for your gaming sessions right from the start. Connecting a wired keyboard to your PlayStation 5 is straightforward. Simply find an available USB port on your console, typically located on the front or back. Plug your wired USB keyboard directly into this port. The PlayStation 5 is designed to automatically detect and configure most standard USB keyboards, making it a true plug-and-play experience. Once connected, you can immediately test its functionality within the system menus or your favorite games. For wireless keyboards, there are two main methods. If your keyboard uses a USB dongle, insert it into any available USB port on your PlayStation 5. The console should recognize it quickly. For Bluetooth keyboards, navigate to the PlayStation 5's accessories settings, select Bluetooth accessories, and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device. This allows for a clutter-free setup, giving you more flexibility in your gaming space. After connecting your monitor and keyboard, take a moment to optimize your setup. Adjust your monitor's display settings for the best picture quality, perhaps tweaking brightness or contrast. Within game settings, you can often configure keyboard key assignments to personalize your controls, enhancing your gameplay. If you need more USB ports for other peripherals, consider using a USB hub. Always ensure all cables are securely connected to prevent any signal interruptions during play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.